Hi, Liam Ward here at LearnTheHarmonica.com. Today I'm going to be looking at My Babe by Little Walter. I'm on a B-flat harmonica, but if you don't have a B-flat, don't worry, you can still follow the tab on screen. This lesson is going to run in tandem with a lesson I have on both the solos in the middle of Little Walter's My Babe, which I'll put a link to on the screen in case you want to purchase that. We'll be looking at the melody for My Babe, which sounds like this. So the tab for that you'll see on screen, and we'll go through it note for note now as well. So our starting riff is 2-draw twice, and then we've got a 3-draw semitone bend, half-step bend. If you can't get the bend, just play the 3-draw, but ideally you want to play the bend. Like that. So that's my babe don't. And then we're going to go up to. So we've got 4-draw bend, 4-blow, 3-draw, semitone bend again, and then 2-draw. Again, you could just play the 3-draw if you can't get that bend. The 4-draw bend you sort of need. If you can't get it, maybe hold the 4-draw a bit longer. So if you're playing it without bends, something like that maybe. But ideally, we're going for. And then. So that's my babe, don't stand no cheating, my babe. Our first line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. Good, good. We'll just play that once more a little slower in case anyone still needs to have that. Okay, and now we move on to the next line. Okay, so we've got 4-draw twice, then 5-draw, 6-blow 3 times, 5-draw, 4-draw, 4-blow, 4-draw twice. So up to those 6 blows, it would sound like this. Okay. And then the second half. So that's 5-draw, 4-draw, 4-blow, 4-draw, 4-draw. If you put them together, if your bending technique isn't quite there, then this line is fine. There's no bends involved in this. The difficult thing might be the articulating those 6 blows. I'm kind of You might want to articulate them with your tongue. You might go la la or ta ta or da da, or you might articulate them with your tongue. But that line in full: 1, 2, 3, 4. And again. The end of that line you might find tricky as well, because we've got. It's quite quick, the movement in and out. So you again take that nice and slow when you're practicing, no rush, and then build it up to speed. So if we put those first 2 lines together, it'll sound something like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now this melody, by the way, is going to work nicely behind the vocals. If you're not singing the song, you might want to play behind the vocals instead of between it, or sometimes play between it and sometimes behind it. Or if you're playing the song as an instrumental, I have heard, I think it was a Kim Wilson instrumental version of this, so it does work as an instrumental as well. Next line. Now this, it requires jumping. You'll notice there's a 4 draw and then a 6 draw in the middle. You've got to jump between the whole 4 and 6, so you need to be quite quick with this one. We've got 6 blow, 6 blow, 5 draw, 4 draw, 6 blow, 4 draw, 5 draw, 6 blow. Okay. And once more. Oh, I fudged it up a bit there. Okay, let's play that in time now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 3, 4. And once more now. Good, good. So the second last line here. Okay. So again, we're kind of going to need some bends here. If not, do your best to work around not having those notes. So we've got 4 blow, and then 3 draw semitone bend, 4 draw bend, 4 blow, 3 draw semitone bend, 2 draw to finish. I'll play it nice and slow. Okay. Great, so now I'll put it into the speed of the song. 1, 2, 3, 4. And once more now. Great, great. So we're on to the last line. The last line's basically like the first line. You could play an exact version of it. I possibly choose some of the time to miss out the first 3 draw semitone bend, so we could just go 2 draw, and then up to that 4 draw without a note in between. So 2 draw, 4 draw bend, 4 blow, 3 draw semitone bend, we're doing it there, 2 draw, and then 2 draw twice more. So okay, once more. Great, so we put that back into time. We'll just play it through without the note between 2 draw and 4 draw. So we'll just play it as I just did, but full speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great, one more. Brilliant, so that takes us to the end of the melody basically. I do have a lesson which covers the 2 solos in the middle, or the double solo rather in the middle, which switches to a 12-bar format. You'll notice the melody, or you might have noticed the melody doesn't follow a 12-bar format. So if you want to look at the solos, then follow the link on the screen. I'll just play this through in full speed now, so you can hear what it sounds like. And then I might embellish it a little bit as well, just for a bit of fun. So here we go. Here's My Babe melody on a B-flat harmonica. 1, 2, 3, 4. hope that's really helped you today. Let me know your thoughts. Please, if you've liked the video, click like and subscribe, because there's going to be more every Wednesday from me. Have fun with this, and I'll see you again soon. Cheers.